Apple hitting the 1 trillion market cap today, becoming the very first company ever to do so. Joining me with reaction, we have Dennis Gartman, publisher and editor of the Gartman Letter. Dennis, wow.
Trish.
I hope you bought it.
Well, no, I didn't, and I find the whole thing a little, dismaying, actually, that everybody is so excited about the fact that one company has made $1 trillion
Come
reached
on,
the
Dennis,
$1
it's
trillion
kind of cool. We get the graphic
cool.
and everything. Humor me. $1 trillion is a lot, okay? That's a pretty big market cap.
Yeah, when you think about it, what is it, $1 billion million? I mean, that's a lot of money.
I like how you put it in that term. Yeah, okay, I'm going to just say it's kind of cool, especially if you're an Apple shareholder. That said, the question is, does it stay here? And I'm guessing, just from the skepticism I hear in your voice, that you are not as optimistic as some on Apple. Explain.
Well, everybody and his brother owns something from Apple. I have an Apple iPad. I've got an Apple phone. Am I going to replace them eventually? Of course I shall. But how much more expensive or how much more expansive can we get? How many more people in the world are going to end up buying, and how much more as a percentage term in growth are we going to have? It's impressive nonetheless. The amount of money that Apple has is it's really a bank for all intents and purposes that has a phone company attached to it. Let's be impressed. It is interesting to find out that we've gone to $1 trillion. But these are the sorts of things that come when you have market peaks, not market valleys, and certainly not middle of the market movements. I'm a little bit bored by the fact that we've got to $1 trillion. I'm certainly not exuberant about it. But what the heck? I understand it. It's a big. It's an impressive number, to say the least.
Yeah, and they're forecasting good things for the future, and we've got Americans feeling a little more flush with cash because maybe they got a bonus from their employer. We've got wages. They can do better. I'll give you that. I'm very interested to see the jobs report tomorrow, that is, on Friday, of course. Tune in. Maria will have it for you in the morning. But I think that's pretty critical. But we're looking at 4.1% GDP growth, more people going back to work. Theoretically, wages should start to go up. And, hey, I'm sorry, but this darn thing, I've only had it a couple years, and it's already going, out on me. It needs to be replaced. And the reality, Dennis, is no one else has a similar sort of ecosystem that can compete. Once you're in, you're kind of in. Right?
There's no question, Trish. That's a very good point. Once you're in, you are in. You're probably not going to find anything else that is amenable or equal to what Apple has. And when my iPad dies, and the battery has been running low a little bit lately. I've noticed at night it tends to run down quick. That's what happens. You have to replace it. But will there be more growth? I don't know. It's impressive. Let's give Apple great credit. Let's give Steve Jobs credit for what he did 20 years ago. Let's give the current management credit for what they've been able to do and continue. It is an impressive feat. Way to go, Apple.
Scott Martin is joining us as well. Dennis, he's the Chief Investment Officer of Kingsview Asset Management and Fox News contributor. Scott, would you buy Apple right now at this level, or do you kind of share Dennis's view that it might be getting a little too frothy?
It's getting frothy. I agree with Dennis, but I would buy, Trish. But here's the backup of this. Not only is it the $1 trillion market cap and the confetti, but what about that earnings report recently, guys? This was a monumental earnings report, good guidance. You had a massive cost that people are paying for the iPhone. And don't forget service revenue. This is one big thing to me, Trish. Back in the day, Apple was hated on, as the kids like to say, because it's all hardware, right? Nowadays, they're delivering services and delivering revenue that way. So as they get these multi-revenue streams going and really fired up, I think that diversifies their business lines and a reason you need to own the stock.
Even at $207.93 a share?
I do, because I'll tell you why. If you look at some of the big FANG names, especially on a valuation basis, it's pretty darn attractive here, just a scotch above 200.
All right. Scott and Dennis, good stuff. Thank you so much.